Live Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Lucas Mudebe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Bafana Swallows not. My brother, how do you feel about the game tonight? Good.
Shabsha Kamila Sadawana, Sadawana Unifoni Namtaji Talegate, Amatuba Convectile. Because it's not down. Because we don't much money without maybe now final. Because the Jumbo Champions compared to them.
So Namtaji
before nearly enough, yes, police are down.
So going forward, for the second round, do you think you're gonna score more goals or you not just maintain a way?
Second round in a week, so we came in. Then we came in, Bawan.
We came in over there.
See, I'm formally. Formally, we came in. Yes, I came in. Yes, I 6. Then 4 years and 10.
Yeah. Okay. So Tuesday, Jalane Super Sport, Channel Derby, and you think and Sakala Makanda.
Super Sport is Super Sasekaya. Super Sport is very simple. Celebrate. It's celebrate and it's development at the same time.
Yeah. Ibona develop player for me. All the best. Tuesday to Channel Derby.
All right, Siabo. Champion of Kilasa
How we never natural no sweet.
As natural party at the same day, 28. Over Yabu.